Hey everyone, I bet you guys didn't know that most travelers only see a tiny bit of the local culture, right? Well, today we're going to explore how to really experience a place. We're talking about diving deep into the local culture. It's the secret to making your trip super special and unforgettable. But let's be real, it can be a little tricky sometimes, can't it? Things like not speaking the language, not knowing the best spots, or just feeling a little nervous about trying new things can make it tough. So here's how to make it easier. First, learn a few simple words and phrases in the local language. Even just saying hello or thank you can make a big difference. Next, skip the crowded tourist restaurants. Instead, ask locals where they like to eat. Trust me, you'll discover the tastiest food in hidden gems you'd never find on your own. And don't be afraid to chat with the people who live there. A friendly conversation can lead to some amazing travel adventures. Let me tell you a quick story. When I was in Italy, I skipped the usual tour and signed up for a cooking class with a local chef. Not only did I learn how to make pasta from scratch, but I also made some new friends who invited me to a family dinner. That night, with all the laughter, stories, and delicious food, was the best part of my whole trip. So remember these simple tips. Learn a few phrases, eat like a local, and chat with the people you meet. Embrace the local culture, and your travels will be so much better. Now, I want to hear about your travel experiences. Leave a comment below and tell me about your adventures, and don't forget to watch our next video for more travel tips. Safe travels and sign up on Llivo.com.